Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to show variant as separated products on Shopify. So to do so, all you need to do as an example is go into this left panel and make sure to click on products. Of course, once you're logged in into Shopify. So as an example, let's just say I do have here just a test products with random information. And let's just say, example here, you have a variant. So instead of going to the products and click on add variants as example, and let's say you have like a color variant as example of that, so that you'll be able to add. So I'm just going to do here blue and stuff like that. Click on done. You can add an example its own price, let's say, and own inventory as well. So just go here and do that as well. So instead of doing the normal way, you will have to go and create an own products for each variant. So the best way basically to do that is open a new tab. As an example, make sure to open Shopify on a new tab and make sure to keep that so you can copy information very easily. Let's say, as an example, you have here multiple variants and not just one. Maybe, as an example, you have something other than that for a color or whatever. So I'm just going to do that. So if you click in here, as an example, you'll be able to edit that as well. Here, let me just go and click on expand all. And yeah, let's say, example, I have only 100 of those. So what you'll need to do is simply go and go to products, and here click on add products. And basically you can go and copy the same title of that product. Example, just say test, and then I can add the variant. So as example, I have like a blue color of this variant. Now I can go down, copy like, first of all, and upload like its media. Let's say, example, it's the same image as this since it's just a variant. Of course, you can go down right here. Oh, this is like the actual product. So as you can see, I can go to my first variant. I can go and copy as example the price and enter it right here. I can copy the quantity. I can enter it right here and make sure that you have the same settings. And here you are. Once you're done, just go and click on save, and you can go and add another products for another variant. Once you finish with any variant, make sure to select it and delete it. So click on the three dots and make sure that you delete the variant once you add its own product. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.